देखो, डर हम सबको लगता है, मेरा भी है, ट्रैवल करने का डर। और अब उस डर को हराने का वक्त आ गया। वेलकम टू माई मोस्ट एडवेंचरस ट्रैवल एक्सपीरियंस इन सकलेशपुर। Let's live young and live free. All good things are wild and free in nature. Well, this time let's hit the wildness of Sakleshpur's one of the best adventure retreats, the GRK Nature Resort. एक वक्त आएगा जहाँ हकीकत को आपसे बेहतर होगा, हकीकत जो खुद को खुद से मिलाए, जहाँ आपका वक्त सिर्फ आपका होगा। A journey of 1,000 miles must begin with a single step. These sweet memories of life spent in nature will make me smile no matter at what stage of life. To stroll among birds, to swing in fresh air, and to breathe in fresh vibes. What a blessing nature is. While the excitement was burning me, it was time for some adventure. Join in for an off-road experience in the woods of Sakleshpur. While to explore was the only agenda, it was time for a short trek right behind the resort.
You are my favorite place to go. You're at the end of my favorite road. Above the rest, you're the best I know. You are my favorite shade of rose, a flower bed on my favorite stone. I love the ground where your roots have grown. You're my favorite place.
Living in present is the best way to capture memories for future.
You radiate my favorite tone. You shed a light that guides me home.
Creating stories and capturing memories with new people in new atmosphere without the fear of tomorrow Maybe this is how life has to be, one day at a time.
You are my favorite place to go.
To tap your leg and move your head at the best music that hits your heart. This feeling was so much needed indeed. Some mornings are peaceful and some give vibes of adventure. And this morning was definitely meant to redefine adventure.
Breathe into me, the meaning of all that could be.
While the journey continues, the more you explore, the more adventure you get.
Wisdom to see, beauty and agony. Fire away, fire away, fire away, fire away. Whisper to me the truth and what to believe. Grant me vision to see virtue in the release.
Some destinations are hard to reach, but when you look back at the journey that you have created, it talks about an untold story to remember for the rest of your life.
You are my favorite shade of rose, a flower bed on my favorite stones. I love the ground where your roots have grown. You're my favorite place.
And now, I want to do all those things that I always wanted to do. Travel and explore like never before. I think I've got that strength to do everything that makes me feel good. While we say goodbye, we'll be back soon with more such unexplored places. Until then, take care, live young and live free.